Hey, what's up, radio? Welcome to episode number 76 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into, can you make money with penny stocks? So this question comes from Liuv Suarez, and I'm going to apologize, man. I botched the name. He says, talk about penny stocks and if it's truly possible to make money investing in them. So these videos are meant for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You are responsible for your assets and to protect them. So always do your own research. If for those of you who are clueless on what a penny stock actually is, it's basically a stock that is trading under $5 or currently listed under $5. Typically, most people that are looking at and buying and selling penny stocks are going to be day traders or swing traders. A day trader is someone who's looking to buy that stock and then get out of it that same day, so to buy and sell the stock in the same day. A swing trader is going to be someone who's looking to buy that stock and hold it from anywhere from like an extra day, overnight, or up until like a month, maybe even 2 months or 3 months. So that's going to be a swing trader. A long-term investor, which is what you were suggesting is investing, is going to be a person who holds a stock for over a year, which would be considered a long-term investing strategy. As far as trading penny stocks goes, it is going to be extremely hard for you to make money trading penny stocks, and this is because the odds and the teams are stacked against you. You're looking at playing against investing firms, computers, trading bots, and then also trading gurus. For instance, like Tim Sykes, which I wouldn't want to try to bet against him. Let's be honest. The guy is like legit at day trading. So it's going to be super hard to beat any one of these people, companies, or computers at day trading, swing trading, or just short-term trading. However, with investing into penny stocks, it becomes a different story. Investing, like I was saying, is holding a stock for basically longer than a year. You could hold it for a year, up to like 20 years, up to basically a lifetime, or even transfer or give it to your kids. I believe that penny stocks honestly are going to offer you the biggest amount of growth when looking at it compared to the S&P 500 or an S&P 500 index fund. Investing into these penny stocks is going to give your account a lot more risk, increasing the volatility, and maybe you don't have the emotions or the stomach to put up with it. Also, it's going to require a lot more work, so it's going to require reading a lot of companies' 10Ks, looking into buying the whole entire business as part of your investing outlook on a company, and then also expecting the huge swings that come with penny stocks, and never ever buy a penny stock off of some news or at a premium. Me personally, I've had a few penny stocks that have generated over 100% return in the last year, and then I've also had the opposite side where I've lost over 100% of some penny stocks as well. And actually, I still hold both of them just so that I can show people the difference. But I think it really comes down to picking good stocks that are selling at a very inexpensive or cheap price. Anyways, we'll go ahead and leave it right there. Let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is, as a child, what did you think would be awesome about being an adult but isn't awesome as you thought? Honestly, there's probably like a few things, like driving a car. You don't realize that driving a car comes with a lot more responsibility than just like driving a car. So it's like, hey, it's awesome that you gotta get places quicker, but it's like, hey, you got to pay for the gas, you got to pay for the insurance, you got to pay for the car, you got to make the car payment, you got to make this, you got to make that, you got to be responsible for all these other things. And it really just didn't come down to like driving a car. So I think that anything for looking from a child to an adult is that becoming an adult comes with more responsibility, and responsibility offers freedom, but it's also not the funnest thing or as awesome as you thought it would be. Like I was saying, if you have a question regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my Robinhood recap February edition. Check out this video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.